Hi, my name is John Kotch, and I'm the founder and chief architect of Ion Objects. We're a Southern California-based company and a long-time IBM business partner. Our flagship product is Ion Objects, an application framework designed to produce business applications. Ion is an adaptable runtime optimized for applications requiring workflow, process automation, and reporting. Applications commonly used to enhance line of business functionality within the enterprise. Ion applications complement ERP, CRM, SCM, and other enterprise applications, and Ion interoperates with Salesforce, SAP, Oracle, PeopleSoft, and all the other major vendors. Ion makes it easy to configure plug-in apps that would otherwise be difficult or costly to produce. Our product runs on Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and provides native support for DB2, MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and other database products. We provide applications for medical billing, offshore financial management, service scheduling, product configuration, e-commerce, video content management, contracts management, legal contracts management, and a host of other applications. We provide an intuitive development environment and an easy-to-use user interface that allows us to turn common but often complex integrations into easy-to-configure drag-and-drop user interface objects. Our product allows virtually anyone with enough knowledge of a business process to produce an application based on the Ion framework in a matter of hours. Our goal is to help business analysts, project managers, and professional programmers alike to build the functionality that they or their customers need quickly and at a minimal cost. We achieve the goal by providing programmers with an in-application development interface. Our applications run on the web browser, and our development environment also runs in the web browser. Developing an Ion application is as simple as dragging and dropping objects into the application space and then configuring the properties of those objects to do what they're supposed to do. To us, every piece of functionality is an Ion object: a database query, a form, a menu, a report, client-side workflow, validation, server-side workflow. They're all objects a developer can place into the application space and configure very robust applications for the enterprise. Today I want to tell you about the newest addition to our object portfolio, the new IBM Sametime object. Our integration with Sametime is taking Ion into the new and exciting world of Communications-Enabled Business Processes, or CEBP. Ion's Lotus integration with IBM Unified Communications and Collaboration Platform allows us to add live unified communications capabilities to any Ion object form. This feature helps Ion users improve data quality and improve the execution of people-centric business processes. IBM calls it reducing or eliminating human latency. For us, the benefit of enabling Ion applications with unified communications features is helping customers reduce data management costs, helping users increase their situational awareness and visibility into other users. This is important for us because in many cases Ion users exchange data through the enterprise applications and through the Ion Objects solution that's complementing the enterprise application, and in some cases the very nature of the business process doesn't provide for much visibility among the people that are executing the business process. Having the additional layer of visibility and awareness provided by the UC layer definitely helps improve the quality of decision making and the level of access the users need to resolve exceptions, reach out to other experts, collaborate with their colleagues, and get the information that they need to solve the immediate problem when they need it. Ion's integration with Sametime is based on the Sametime proxy toolkit that's available with Sametime 851. The proxy toolkit provided us with the entry points into the Sametime communications server to surface presence availability and status as well as access to the users via instant messaging. The fact that the proxy toolkit is based on Dojo and JavaScript made it easy for us to incorporate Sametime into the ION framework. Creating a Sametime object within the framework was as easy as building a wrapper around the relevant components in the proxy API, and then defining the properties that would regulate their visual appearance and behavior, and then adding that new object into our catalog. Our first application was a contracts management application for one of the world's largest television content distributors. This customer's legal department needed a global solution to track both the legal signed documents and the financial transaction information that was embedded inside of the documents. The documents have no standardized format, and the deals they represent don't follow any kind of standardized workflow. For these reasons, the legal department needed a solution that could adapt instantly to the changing requirements while maintaining a predictable and structured user experience. This is an ideal application for ION objects. Additionally, given the lack of structure in the content, they needed access to stakeholders in real time to resolve exceptions, ask questions, seek clarification, and reduce the uncertainty inherent to having a process with highly unstructured data. Lawyers, as you know, are often tough and demanding technology consumers. They demand accurate information, and they have no time to waste. This is where the Sametime ION object comes into play. The Sametime ION object is always visible to the application user. If a legal assistant has a question or an issue about a contract, Sametime allows these users to reach out to each other in real time, thus saving time and keeping the process moving. Like all ION objects, we've abstracted the complexity of the Sametime proxy API integration down to just a few configurable fields. Here's how it works. Our customer signs up for a subscription access to a cloud-based Sametime server or purchases Sametime to run on-premise. Then a connection string connects the ION application to the Sametime server. User accounts are created for all those users that will have access to Sametime. And then those user credentials are also added into the ION application user accounts. Then when the user logs into the ION application and navigates to a form that has a Sametime object on it, they're automatically signed in and authenticated. The Sametime ION objects feature shows the status and availability of everyone else in Sametime. Users can then collaborate within the context of the ION application. This integration pattern is reusable at the framework level. It's flexible, it's adaptable, and using ION, it's very easy to set up. So you can see how when you embed the IBM Lotus Sametime Unified Communications feature directly inside of the easy-to-configure enterprise class ION objects framework, and then you use that framework to enhance enterprise applications, CRM, ERP, Siebel, PeopleSoft, Salesforce, what have you. It isn't hard to realize all the positive long-term impact that this kind of integration would have on a customer's bottom line. Many of the issues that might otherwise have gone through a lengthy tracking procedure are now resolved in real time. Internal help desk calls are reduced. Training and mentoring costs are reduced. There are significant improvements in operational efficiency, but most important, your data accuracy is going to be significantly improved. So ION Objects is proud to offer this new integration with Lotus Sametime. We have already received positive feedback from our customers and partners, and we look forward to continuing this work with IBM to bring this new breed of communications-enabled business processes into the market. Of course, we invite you to visit us online at www.ionobjects.com. There are some great screenshots out there, and you can meet the team. And we're really proud of what we've accomplished with this framework. There's really nothing quite like ION Objects out there right now. And we've created a very stable, powerful platform that's really making a big difference in the enterprise, the CRM world and the ERP world, just kind of filling in the gaps that are crucial to the business, but are often just not provided by the enterprise apps.